The crystal ball. Nazar, a small boy, found a crystal ball behind the banyan tree of his garden. The tree told him that it could grant him a wish. He was very happy and he thought hard, but unfortunately he could not come up with anything he wanted. So he kept the crystal ball in his bag and waited until he could decide on his wish. Days went by without him making a wish, but his best friend saw him looking at the crystal ball. He stole it from Nazar and showed it to everyone in the village. They all asked for places and riches, and a lot of gold, but could not make more than one wish. In the end, everyone was angry because no one could have everything they wanted. They became very unhappy and decided to ask Nazar for help. Nazar wished that everything could go back to how it was once. Before the villagers had tired to satisfy their greed, the palace and gold vanished, and the people and the villagers once again become happy and content. Moral of the story: money and wealth do not always bring happiness. The ant and the grasshopper. Once upon a time, there were two best friends, an ant and a grasshopper. The grasshopper liked to relax the whole day and play with his guitar. The ant, however, could work hard all day. He could not collect food from all corners of the garden, while the grasshopper relaxed, played his guitar and slept. The grasshopper could tell the ant to take a break every day, but the ant could refuse and continue his work. Soon winter came. Days and nights became cold and very few critters went out. On a cold day of winter, a colony of ants was busy drying out some grains of corn. The half-dead grasshopper, cold and hungry, came to the ant who was his friend and asked for a piece of corn. The ant replied, "We work hard day and night to collect, save up the corn, soon that we do not die hungry on cold winter days. Why should we give to you?" The ant further asked, "What were you doing last summer? You should have collected and stored some food. I told us so much before." The grasshopper said, "I was far too busy singing and sleeping." The ant replied, "You can sing all winter or far in a concrete. You will not get anything for us." The ant had enough food to last throughout the winter, without any worries at all. But the grasshopper did not, and he realized his mistake. Moral of the story: make high while the sun shines. Elephant and her friends. Once upon a time, a lone elephant made her way into a strange forest. It was new to her, and she was looking to make friends. She approached a monkey and said, "Hello monkey, could you like to be friend?" The monkey said, "You are too big to swarm like me, so I cannot be your friend." The elephant then went to a rabbit. A rabbit said, and rabbit asked the same question. The rabbit said, "You are too big and fit in my body, so I cannot be your friend." The elephant also went to the frog in the pond and asked the same question. The frog replied, "You are too heavy and jump as high as me, so I cannot be your friend." The elephant was really sad because she could not make friends. Then one day she saw all the animals running deeper into the forest, and she asked a bear what is the fuss was about. The bear said, "The lion is a Lucy. They are running for him to save themselves." The elephant went up to the lion and said, "Please do not hurt this